location. So it's gonna be a little cold though today, I'm not gonna lie. We had a little snow yesterday and none of it stuck, but it is 25, 27 degrees outside, and with the wind right now, it feels a lot colder. Let me know down below if you think that I should be putting out more of these. I think what I'm gonna start doing is try to possibly film a BTS or a POV video of all my photo shoots from now on. All right, I'm gonna blast some tunes, so I'll see you guys when we get to the location. See you there. Real. So let's double check power. Battery's good. Battery's good. We got a card. We got a card. All right, let's go do this.